In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more followers on your Facebook page using a simple Facebook ads strategy. Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said, I'll be showing you a simple strategy you can use to increase your Facebook page followers in this video. So I believe probably you are watching this video maybe as a content creator who is looking for an easy way and a legitimate way to increase your Facebook page followers so you can get monetized and start earning from your content. Well, I'll be revealing to you a simple strategy which you can implement and which I have also implemented. I use this same strategy to grow a Facebook page from 0 followers to about 13,000 followers within a short period of time, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. But before we jump into the video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. So just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. Okay guys, so in order to start getting more followers on your Facebook page using Facebook ad, what you need to do first of all is to ensure you have your page ready. Now this is a page, let me show you that we have been able to use that method to grow the followers. As you can see, we have about 13,000 followers right here on this page. So just like I said, now I'll be showing you practically on how you can do that. So right now, just go over to your browser and type this URL business.facebook.com. Now if you know nothing about running Facebook ads, I have a comprehensive video that I have done on this channel to show you how to run Facebook ads from scratch. It is like a masterclass. Just check on the link on the description of this video to watch that video and learn, then you can use it to continue with this video. So that being said, now just click on this point that says all tools, and I'll click on this one that says ads manager, because in your ads manager, that's where you actually run ads. So right here, I'll select a particular ad account I want to use. This first one here is the one I intend to use. So once you are inside a particular account you intend to use, just click on create. Now one thing I should let you know is that on your page, ensure you have posted some content. Don't just carry an empty page and say you want to use it to start generating followers. One thing is that your page needs to be engaging, the content on your page needs to be engaging. So when you start running these ads, people will check out your page and will also want to follow you for what you post. So ensure you have content on your page already and keep posting engaging content. So right here, click on this one that says engagement and click on continue. Then you click on this one that says manual engagement traffic campaign. Then you click on continue. Then what you just do now, so right here you can name your campaign whatever you intend to name it, is dependent on you. So the next thing, just scroll down and click on next. So right here you are going to see this one that says conversion. What you need to do is to click on this one that says messaging apps, then click on this one that says on your ad. Then right now, it depends on the kind of post you intend to promote, but I always advise you promote video content. So now this one that says engagement type, click on it and select video views. Ensure it is video views you are selecting now. Then right now, scroll down, leave this one that says maximum true play views, just leave it like that. Then scroll down. There are this budget and schedule area. This is where you set the amount you intend to spend on your advert. Now I will advise you spend at least 2,000 naira daily. Then you can spend any amount you wish to spend. Now one thing you should know is that the amount you spend equivalent to the number of engagements and people that will check out your page and also follow you. You understand? The more you spend, the more higher engagement you will get. So that being said, just set whatever amount you intend to set. So let me say I'm doing 5,000 naira daily, for example. Then now I'll just set when I want my ads to start. It depends on you. The end date, if you want it to end whenever date,
It depends on you. So then we'll go down to this point that says audience control. Now, this is a very important aspect of Facebook ads that cannot only be broken down in this video. You understand? It is very broad, but if you intend to learn more about it, I have few videos on my channel that I've done to teach you how to do targeting. Now, what you need to do here is that you get to select the kind of people you want to follow you. If you want any kind of person to follow you, maybe your page is a random page, it depends on you. You can just leave it just like this. It's already set up to attend to almost everybody. Probably the location, you can just come and change the location, maybe add some other countries, let's say Ghana. If you want some other countries to follow you, so let's say Ghana, you can begin to put other countries, but our advice, don't put too much countries, you understand? And I will also advise, don't really put countries like the US and all of that, because they have all this policy too much. Put all these African countries and probably other countries, but avoid some of these top countries like the US, you understand? Because most times when you target those countries and the content you are using is not so good, or it looks like a copyright, most times they will begin to report your page and your page might get flagged down. So be careful about that. Now, that being said, you can come and just begin to do any other setup you intend to do. If you want to reach out to a specific kind of people, let's say your page is a cooking page and you want to reach out to people who are interested in cooking and stuff like that, you can just come here and just type something like cooking. Sorry, not here. You understand? You see this one that says customer desk, just come here and just type in this detailed targeting area. Come here, and this one that says add demographics and stuff, just type cooking. As you can see, we have cooking. You select interest, people interested in cooking, food and drinks. Then you can just probably click the suggestion area and you get to see more. So you can begin to select people interested in baking, foodie, cooking show, and a whole lot of stuff like that. You understand? So it depends on you. But if your page is generalized, you want a generalized audience to follow you, just remove this and just leave it the way it is. So that being said, that is it about the targeting. You can check my channel to see more about that. Now, one thing here now is this other part that says placement. This part is very, very important. So pay close attention.
Okay guys, I know you are enjoying that video, but quickly before we continue, if you wish to get more customers for your business and increase your sales with Facebook ads, I have got two options for you. It's either you contact me directly to help you set up high converting Facebook ads, or you can get my Facebook ad mentorship program where I teach how to set up high converting Facebook ads to increase your sales. Any of the options you wish to go for is dependent on you. Just click on the link on the description of this video to get access to me right now so we can get started. That being said, let's get back to the video.
Now, click on this one that says edit, select manual placement, and come to this one that says all device, and then change it to only mobile. Don't target people on desktop because most people do not do Facebook on their laptop. So now click on this one that says Instagram, turn it off, turn off Messenger, turn off audience network, and leave only Facebook on. You want people scrolling on Facebook to see and go over to your page. So that being said, just click on this one that says next. So right here, you get to select a particular page. You look for your page and then you select it. As for me, this is the page I intend to get more followers on. Then I'll scroll down. You see this one now that says ad setup. This is where you select the particular content type that you want to use for your ad. Now, do you want to create the ad from scratch or you want to use an existing post? I always advise you use an existing post since you are trying to increase the followers on your page. Now, click on this point and choose use existing post, and then now you come down to this point and click on select post. Then now I have this video right here because it's a video. All these ones are showing like this because they are images. I'm trying to promote a video, so this is a video. If you look at it, click on video, click on continue. So this is just a random video. Now, the kind of video you use also matters. Use engaging videos and ensure that these videos do not really have copyright on them. If not, your ads might be flagged. You understand? And the kind of music we use on these videos too also matters. Ensure that the music on these videos are not copyrighted music. If not, Facebook will mute your ads and it might not be performing that well. So that being said, just scroll down, ignore all these points. Sorry, you just scroll down to this point and you see this point that says call to action. Automatically Facebook has selected send message as your call to action. That is not what you want. You don't want people to send you message. Remove that call to action and add your own call to action. Now what's your own call to action? You want people to go to your Facebook profile after they see the post and probably click on it. You understand? Now click on this one that says add button call to action. Now you can select whatever you want. It can be something like learn more, download, call now, wherever, or you can say watch more. So because you are promoting a video, you want to use something like watch more. It's much more better. Then here now, this point, what URL are you going to put here now? Go to your Facebook page. You understand? Your Facebook page, and copy the profile link of your Facebook page. As you can see, this is the profile link of my Facebook page. Now if you look at it here, probably just to facebook.com slash Chris Gold the Polymath. You understand? Now yours, depending on the name of your page, copy that profile link and put here, paste it here now, and update it to the post. So what you are doing right now is, let me show you what is going to happen. Can you see when somebody is scrolling on Facebook, they will see the video, play it, and they see something like watch more. The moment they tap that watch more, it will automatically take them to your Facebook profile where they can now see the follow and all of that. Let me show you what I mean now. Let me see if is that can that show here. Okay, it doesn't show here now, but if you look at it, once they click on this watch more on the ad, they are busy scrolling on Facebook and they see this video, watch it, they're interested, and they see this watch more now will be showing. The moment they click on this watch more, it will automatically bring them to your profile, something like this, and the follow and all of that will be showing, and they can follow your page. So as you can see now, this makes a whole lot of sense. The more money you spend on ads, the more people see your video, and the more people click on watch more, and the more followers you get. So if you have like 1,000 people click on this watch more, 800 might follow you. That is why your page needs to be very engaging. If your page is very engaging, about almost everybody that click on this watch more, they scroll through your page, the follow button is there, they will follow you. You understand? So this is like the simple hack on how you can actually get more followers on your Facebook page using Facebook ads. I've tested this. As you can see, I've tested this on this particular page. This page is kind of a new page. We have not even really done much on this page like that, but as you can see, we have been able to actually get almost 13,000 followers on this page. So use this simple hack and increase your followers. So that being said, when you are done, all you just need to do is to come here and click on this publish the ad, ensure you have money inside your ad account, and then just get to see your ads performing well, people following you, and you're also getting engagement on that particular post.
Okay guys, so that was it for that video. I believe you got value from the video, and if you did, ensure that you are already subscribed to the channel if you are not. So just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also don't forget to like, comment, and also share these videos to people out there so that they too can also enjoy from this value that I have given to you today. So that being said, I will see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.